Hello guys, I just woke up. It's like in the middle of the night. What time is it?
It's 12:18.
It's 12:18. It's in the middle of the night, as I said. I'm at my friend's house. Yeah, I just woke up because I heard sounds. We both did, so I woke up Lexi. So we're gonna go back to bed here pretty soon.
I'm playing my tablet.
Yeah, she's playing on a tablet.
I've been up the whole time.
So I just wanted to know if I don't make videos in like a month, then you know I didn't survive or something. Or I just don't want to make videos. So, yeah. I'm gonna go back to bed. Lexi's not. So I'll see you guys. I know I didn't do the intro. It's just like a short video. Bye guys.
Bye.